Hello world. Welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you what is cross-site scripting and how to use it. Before that, subscribe to this channel and press bell icon so you don't miss next video on ethical hacking and web application penetration. What is cross-site scripting? Cross-site scripting (XSS) attacks are a type of injection in which malicious scripts are injected into otherwise benign and trusted websites. XSS attacks occur when an attacker uses a web application to send malicious code, generally in the form of a browser-side script, to a different end user. Flaws that allow these attacks to succeed are quite widespread and occur anywhere a web application uses input from a user within the output it generates without validating or encoding it. Let's understand practically in BWAP. If you don't know what is BWAP, watch my previous video, link in description. There are three types of XSS. I'm going to talk about the two most used. Reflected XSS Attack, when an attacker injects his malicious script into a search query, a search box, or the end of an URL. It's called Reflected XSS Attack. It's like throwing a ball against a wall and receiving back. Stored XSS Attack is when an injected XSS script is stored permanent on a website, for example in a GhostBit or bulletin board. Stored XSS hits everyone who just reaches a site with the malicious code. Open XSS Reflected in bweb and type your name. It's reflect back your name in URL and in page source. Let's try to inject a simple JavaScript alert message. As you can see, its pop-up alert box means website is vulnerable to XSS attack. In page source you can see that website doesn't filter the attacker's input. In other words, the attacker can inject his malicious script into a website and the browser just runs the script. Now let's try session hijacking with XSS. Again, vulnerable page will show the current cookie value in an alert box. With session hijacking, an attacker can log into victim's account without any authentication. This will lead to compromise user personal data. Thanks for watching this video. Hit like and subscribe to my channel for more ethical hacking and web application penetration testing video.